please. First, finish your business. Then push the flush button all the way down. Wait until the flushing has stopped and check to see if everything has disappeared. Usually the bowl is empty. Hooray! Sometimes things are still a bit yucky in there and you need to flush it again. When it's all clear, don't forget to wash your hands. Number 1, use a sensible amount of toilet paper. Number 2, only flush appropriate objects down the toilet. Just a reminder that stones don't belong in the toilet, and neither does your lunch.